Okay, part 2 of the video for the topic 9 review for summer school for the test upcoming tomorrow. What is the measure of angle PRQ? That's this angle right here, and justify your answer. Something that I've always taught my students in the classroom is this abbreviation OODLE. It sounds like noodle, but with no N. OODLE, it means order of the letters. Order of the letters is everything when we're talking about geometric shapes and triangles and congruence and stuff like that. And you have to pay special attention to the tick marks because the order of this angle, P to R, goes over one tick mark, and then from R to Q goes over nothing. So what have we got? Is PRQ, what is the measure? Well, if we look at this triangle EFG, it looks like going from E to G, from the skinny point up here, goes over one tick mark. So then from G to F goes over nothing. So that's getting really complicated in there. So let me wipe all this stuff off and use a different color. Again, one tick mark and then nothing. So the surrounded angle G. One tick mark and then nothing. That's PRQ. So if, they show us an interior angle there included, so we must have side angle side. So that's what, and by corresponding parts, the measure is G. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. CPAC, I used to call it, or CPCTC. Okay, it's another very important theorem to remember. Okay, let's keep going. Using the same thing, same kind of logic there. Do we have side, 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 or side angle side? Even though these are both labeled angle T, I'm not sure they're congruent. If they are, it's kind of a trick question. But because we only have two sides and they're not labeled as 90 degrees, we don't know anything about angle T, even though they're the same letter, I think the answer is that one. Could be wrong, though. Just go through that one and make sure you're understanding that logic. Okay, here we have another way to prove if triangles are congruent. One of the things that geometry textbooks like to say is this side right here, which is common both triangles, it is congruent to itself. So if I have one angle 2, one angle 2, so that's side angle side. So look for the correct OODLE and the correct answer that has side angle side. I'm thinking the answer is going to be A. Okay, 2 more slides. Let's see here. All right, using the hypotenuse leg theorem, and make sure you're looking at the correct OODLE, BC to QR, BC to QR. We've got, there's the leg, there's the hypotenuse, and they're right triangles. So yes, I would say those buildings are the same height. And that's how you'd explain it. One more slide. Just a quick review reminder, parallel or perpendicular. Remember, parallel lines have the same slope. Perpendicular have negative reciprocal or opposite sign reciprocals. So the slope there is 9. I think that's parallel. All right, that's it for that video. Good luck on the test tomorrow, kiddos.